In this video, you'll learn how to add email features in Base44. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate email functionality into your project. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you will see the Base44 homepage, which includes various options for creating and managing your applications. Next, you should describe your app idea in the designated area. Look for a prompt on the homepage that encourages you to enter your app concept. This section may provide templates for inspiration. After entering your idea, ensure you have a clear understanding of what email features you want to incorporate. After that, click on the Apps button located in the main navigation menu. This action will redirect you to a page displaying all your applications. You will recognize this page by its list of projects, along with options to manage them. Once you are on the apps page, choose a project from the list that you want to add the email feature to. Clicking on the project will take you to its specific settings and editor interface. Make sure you select the correct project to avoid confusion later. Now, type Add Email feature in the search or command prompt area within the project editor. This action will initiate the process of adding the email functionality. The system may take a moment to process your input, so wait for any loading indicators to disappear. Then click on the Enter key to confirm your inputs. A loading message or progress indicator may appear, indicating that Base44 is processing your request. Wait for a moment as the system generates the necessary configurations for the email feature. At this point, Base44 will begin generating the framework for the email feature. You should observe a message that indicates the system is working on this task. This step may take a little time, depending on the complexity of your application and the features being added. Next, you will receive a prompt asking you to specify how you would like to integrate the email feature into your app. This message will guide you in determining the type of email functionality you wish to implement. Following this, you will need to choose the specific email feature you want to add. Options may include notifications, reminders, or other email-related functionalities. Make your selection carefully to ensure it aligns with your project goals. After choosing the feature, click on the Next button to proceed. This action will move you to the next stage of the integration process. A confirmation message should indicate that your choice has been successfully recorded. Base44 will now generate your prompt based on the selections you made. You may see a loading screen as the system works to finalize the integration process. This step is crucial as it ensures that the email feature is tailored to your specifications. Finally, you will receive a confirmation that you've successfully added email feature to your application. This message indicates that the integration is complete and you can now proceed to test the functionality within your project.